In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable quick edit here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this really is super simple. Now, you can open up Fortnite and you can be in a game to do this, or you can just be in the main menu. It doesn't necessarily matter, but go up to the top right, select your profile picture, or just hit pause and essentially go ahead into your settings specifically. So select the settings gear and then go up at the very top, and you need to select the game tab, which is the one that looks like a controller with a settings gear behind it. Essentially, just scroll down, and what you're looking for on here is going to be your editing section, and you're going to see a few different tabs on here. You're going to see simple edit on here. If this is turned on, this is going to be quick edit. Essentially, just turn it on, apply your changes, and once it's enabled, editing becomes a lot faster since the game will show the edit automatically without you having to do that manual tile selection. You just hit a button while hovering over where exactly that edit would be, and it's going to auto edit. You also have this tap to simple edit option on here as well, so you don't have to hold it down. If you're using simple edit, I'd recommend turning this on just because it does help you out a little bit faster and make you quicker at doing this. But that is it. That is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.